Heartbreaking.
Yeah.
That's so long after Hurricane Matthew hit the area.
Yeah, all of this water is just kind of working out the system, right?
You know, when you get 12 to 18 inches of rain, it stacks up, and it takes a long time for gravity to pull that water back out to sea where it belongs. So, guys, I want to just emphasize the storm that's getting ready to impact the Pacific Northwest is part of what's moving and generating these clouds that we see here right now. In fact, the first storm that is impacting the Northwest that's sending us some rain is going to be generating 60-mile-an-hour winds along the Pacific Northwest coast. For us, all we're going to be seeing out of this is periods of rain with a little bit of mountain snow, but we do have that flash flood watch, which is in effect for the mountains to the north of the Treasure Valley because of the burn scar from the Pioneer Fire. Periods of rain are in the forecast on again, off again through Monday. And it is going to be cooler than normal. Average highs this time of the year are supposed to be in the upper 60s. I think we're going to be seeing temperature readings at least 10 degrees cooler. So on the Doppler radar right now, what you're seeing is one wave of moisture that's moved on through. We're catching a little bit of a break right now, but look at the next wave. And like waves coming onto a beach, that's what's going to happen with this pattern. It's going to be one wave of moisture after another. There may be some occasional breaks. Just know that the pattern right now is extremely conducive to seeing a lot of these clouds and a lot of these showers moving through much of Idaho over the next few days. So the storm system that's impacting right now the Northwest, this is generating 60-mile-an-hour winds. There's another storm that's out there that's going to be coming in on Saturday night and Sunday. That one is going to contain the remnants of an old super typhoon Songda. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's a storm that's going to be packing an even bigger punch Saturday night for the Northwest, and it will send us rain again Saturday night and Sunday. So one storm system after another. The low pressure systems are stacked up out there right now in the Pacific Ocean, and you've got to look at what the general flow in the atmosphere is. It's coming in right out of the west. So all of those systems that you see out there in the Pacific Ocean, while they're extremely powerful out there, they do weaken, but that moisture has only one direction in which it can go, and that's in our general direction. So periods of rain through Monday. Also, mountain snows starting at about 7,500 feet, and then by that Sunday storm, I'd say snow levels are probably going to be dropping down to about 6,000 feet. So on the Futurecast, here's this first wave of moisture that comes in tonight and tomorrow morning. This is right around 8 o'clock in the morning. There you can see that line of rain moving through the Treasure Valley. Tomorrow evening, still hit and miss pockets of rain. Now let me take you to Saturday morning. Saturday morning, we probably catch a little bit of a break, but then Saturday evening, here comes the next round, and that's the system that's going to hit us on Sunday. So it's just going to be extremely active. Here's that 7-day forecast as we break this down for the Treasure Valley. First of all, 60 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow. Scattered showers tonight, periods of rain on again, off again tomorrow. They will be heavy at times up in the higher elevations of the mountains. Then Saturday, probably dry in the morning. But watch out just in time for the Boise State game. You may want to have your poncho because I think we'll see that next wave coming in Saturday night and Sunday with yet another wave of moisture coming in on Monday. Then high pressure builds in and it dries out, and we get a chance to clean out our gutters once again from all the leaves that are going to be knocked off the trees around the middle of next week. And the mountains are going to be seeing periods of rain and snow on again, off again, all the way through the weekend, and then things will be winding down by Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday looks nice. So that's amazing. That's one of the reasons why these storms are being so energized. It's a combination of the low pressure systems tapping into tropical moisture. Boy, that squeezes a lot of moisture out of the atmosphere.
Is that a good thing heading into winter if we're looking for La Nina?
La Nina is, right now we're kind of in a neutral phase. So it's that's going to take a lot more time than what the producer tells me I have.
Okay. All right. Skiers are hopeful.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Roland.